Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Hera English School online teaching session. Today, inshallah, in English, we are going to see one of the writing skills, that is expansion of ideas or themes. A slogan, a quotation, or a proverb can be expanded and the idea can be further developed. You can write in the form of a paragraphs built around the central idea provided to you. Let us analyze what is expected from you first. Now stick to the word limits. Maybe it is instructed that it should be between 80 to 100 words. Okay. Now the second point is try to understand the idea thoroughly before you start writing. Third point to remember is short, simple sentences are always better. Avoid long sentences as it may create grammatical mistakes for you. Now include the quotations, anecdotes, examples, illustrations and statistics to add the substance to your writing. Avoid using the pronouns I. It is always better to write a general view on the topic. The introduction and conclusion should be catchy. It should not be clutched but different, and it should be unique. Read a few model expansions of ideas and rewrite the same on your own in the way that you write it in your own words. This will provide you sufficient practice. When short of ideas, remember the words. I kept 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. Their names were, yes, you know them. It's the WH questions. What and why and when and how and where and who. A ladder to successful writing as we know it, right? So let us see one of the examples so that we can understand it in a much better way. Here the question is that will come in the form of major question number 7. Expand the theme. Here the question is nature the best teacher. See how we are going to write it now. William Shakespeare in his play As You Like It has very poetically said, tongue in trees, books in the running brooks, sermons in stones and good in everything. It is quite true. Nature is the best teacher. Everything in nature is so grand and flawlessly perfect. Second paragraph starts here now. Nature teaches us all the life transforming lessons of greatness, beauty, patience, hard work, peace, renewal, generosity, kindness, etc. The sun teaches us to shine and give light to the world. The rivers teach us the message of moving on, overcoming all the obstacles and be a winner. A man must also move on towards his goal like a river. Now the concluding paragraph here. Similarly, trees teach us to give everything to the world and people. Flowers teaches us to spread aroma of our good deeds. In conclusion, we can say that nature is the best teacher. We must develop the ability to read the invaluable lessons from the nature. You can add some of the points from the lessons, the ideas which we get from the lesson Alchemy of Nature. Okay. So this is how within 3 paragraphs limits this 5 marks expansion of theme is being completed. Okay. Now the distribution of the marks here are: for title and beginning it gives 1 marks. Vocabulary and grammar it provides 1 mark. Appropriate points which are written there it provides 1 mark. Logical order which is there in the paragraphs is giving you 1 mark, and the conclusion gives you 1 mark. So the total goes to 5 marks. So inshallah in this way we can complete the writing skill. Okay. In fact, some of them are on the expansion of the slogans as well sometimes. Okay. Now let us see another example. Expansion of slogan. Read and grow. Now this is a slogan there. We need to expand it. Books are key to wisdom's treasure. Books are gate to land of pleasure. Books are path which upwards leads. Books are friends, come let us read. Books are indeed our friends. They contribute greatly towards our personal and professional growth. Books provides a lot of information and knowledge, thus contributing to our growth. It equips us with values and virtues and helps us distinguish between the good and the bad. Books are our friends, philosophers and guides. Whenever we are alone, sad or dejected, that means when we are rejected, we should read books as it helps us to overcome our unhappiness and bring a smile on our face. Now the next paragraph here. Reading help us grow intellectually and spiritually. If we read the right books, it will be a great learning experience for us, and we will come out enriched from the same. A poet has rightly remarked, "My never failing friends are they with whom I converse night and day." Befriend books, read and grow. So this is how it ends up very beautifully. You can write your own experiences as well to this. Another, we are going to take up another example here, which is service to humanity is service to God. Now this is in the form of expansion of a proverb. You pass through this way but once, so do all the good you can, for you may not pass this way again. The above words tell us that we have just one life. We should make the most of it by leading a life committed to the cause of humanity. We should ensure that we care for others, fellow beings, and extend a helping hand to them always. Through our words, thoughts, character, and heart, we can make a world of difference. The life and work of Mahatma Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Baba Amte, and others who have dedicated their life to the service of others should inspire us to be caring, compassionate, and kind. There are various government and non government organizations committed to the cause of service to humanity. We can offer our service to them. We can visit orphanage or organizations like Home for the Aged and spend quality time with the people living there. Let these words guide us in our efforts to create a happy society. Do all the good you can to all the people you can in every way you can, as long as ever you can. Remember, it is blessed to give than to receive. So this is very beautiful couplets or lines which are there. With this we can understand how we need to write and add more effect to our expansion of themes or proverbs or slogans. Inshallah, we'll continue next time with more examples. Jazakallah.